genetic stability requires not only an extremely accurate mechanism for replicating DNA, but also mechanism for repairing the many accidental lesions that occur continually in DNA. And most such spontaneous changes in DNA are temporary because they are immediately corrected by a set of processes that are collectively called the DNA repair. So first of all, we have to understand that DNA replication is the process by which new DNA forms from the parental DNA. And during the formation of the new DNA, there may be accidental different inducers factors are there. These factors try to change the actual structure of the DNA, and that's why if these changes may occur in the base sequences or sometimes the nucleotide sequences. So, or you can say that the segment of DNA must be changed from the original DNA. So, in that situation, if there is any change occurring in the DNA segment or DNA base pairs, so during the replication, these are all corrected immediately. Okay, and this correction is done by different processes, and this is called actually the DNA repairing process. Okay, so this DNA repairing process is general type. Many types are there. Okay, generally first one